Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to mirror your iMac to your Hisense Smart TV. Whether you're looking to share a presentation, watch videos on a larger screen, or just enjoy that extra real estate for productivity, this guide will help you get set up in no time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check your Smart TV compatibility. First things first, let's make sure your Smart TV is compatible. Most newer Smart TVs, especially those from brands like Samsung, LG, and Sony, have built-in screen mirroring features. If you're unsure, check your TV's manual or do a quick online search to confirm it supports AirPlay or screen mirroring. Step 2. Connect your iMac and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, make sure both your iMac and your Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for a smooth mirroring experience. If your devices are on different networks, they won't be able to communicate, so double-check your connections in the Wi-Fi settings on both devices. Step 3. Enable AirPlay on your TV. If you're using an AirPlay-compatible TV, you'll need to enable AirPlay. You can usually find this option in your TV's settings under a category like Network, Connections, or General. Just select AirPlay and turn it on. On some TVs, you may also need to allow AirPlay connections from nearby devices. Step 4. Use AirPlay from your iMac. Once you're set up on your TV, go over to your iMac. In the top menu bar, you should see the AirPlay icon. It looks like a rectangle with a triangle at the bottom. Click on this icon, and a list of available AirPlay devices will appear. Select your TV from the list, and in just a few seconds, you should see your iMac screen mirrored on your TV. Alternative method: using an HDMI cable. Now, if your TV doesn't support AirPlay, don't worry. You can always use an HDMI cable with a compatible adapter to mirror your screen. All you need to do is connect the HDMI cable to your TV and then use an adapter to connect it to your iMac. Once connected, select the appropriate HDMI input on your TV and you'll be good to go. Step 5. Adjust the display settings. After you've connected your iMac to your TV, you can fine-tune your display settings if necessary. On your iMac, go to System Preferences, then click on Displays. Here, you can adjust the resolution and set whether you want to mirror your entire screen or use the TV as an extended display. This is great if you want a dual-screen setup for increased productivity. Step 6. Disconnecting. When you're done and ready to disconnect, just click the AirPlay icon in your iMac's menu bar again and select Turn Off AirPlay. If you're using an HDMI cable, simply unplug it from both the iMac and the TV. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to mirror your iMac to your Smart TV. Now you can enjoy all your content on the big screen, from streaming movies to sharing your work presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.